Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Sales associate, greets, customers, purchase, assist, product, samples, scans, cash register, answers, questions, orders, telephone, stock, shelf. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Carla is a sales associate. Carla greets customers. Carla helps customers with their purchase. Carla assists customers to find their size. Carla checks the product price. Carla offers samples to customers. Carla scans items at the cash register. Carla answers customers' questions. Carla takes orders on the telephone. Carla checks off the stock. Carla restocks the shelf. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.